Okay, so let's start. This is the sixth week, and today we'll talk. We will cover the shloka number 15 to 28 from chapter 2. तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं. यम ही न व्यथयन्ते पुरुषं पुरुषर्षभः समदुःखसुखं धीरं सुमृतत्वाय न कल्पते नासतो विद्यते भावो नाभावो विद्यते सतः उभयोरपि दृष्टोऽन्तः त्वनयोस्तत्त्वदर्शिभिः अविनाशि तु तद्विद्धि यथा अविनाशि तु तद्विद्धि येन सर्वमिदं ततं विनाशमव्ययस्यास्य न कश्चित् कर्तुमर्हति अन्तवन्त इमे देहा नित्यस्योक्तः शरीरिणः अनाशिनो प्रमेयस्य तस्मात् युद्धस्व भारतः. So basically, now Krish, all the psychological drama is going in Arjun's mind, right? I mean, he has his own emotions and his own logical reasonings and all of those things. Now, now all of this psychological drama which is happening in Arjun's mind, now he's in a very confused state, right? Now what is happening that he until until somebody asks for your help, you should not give any help. So finally Arjun decided to take help from Krishna, and Krishna says, okay, now you're asked for my help. And then he start telling him, and now the Krishna's role as a guru is like to bring him out of that psychological drama, right? Because again, that is not something real, it is something fabricated by him, right? So now we'll see more what Krishna does to take him out of it, right? य एनं वेत्ति हन्तारं यश्चैनं मन्यते हतम् उभौ तौ न विजानीतो नायं हन्ति न हन्यते न जायते म्रियते वा कदाचिन् नायं भूत्वा भविता वा न भूयः अजो नित्यशाश्वतोऽयं पुराणो न हन्यते हन्यमाने शरीरे वेदा विनाशिनं नित्यं य एनमजमव्ययम् कथं स पुरुषः पार्थ कं घात्यति हन्तिकं वासांसि जीर्णानि यथा विहाय नवानि गृह्णाति नरोपराणि तथा शरीराणि विहाय जीर्णानि अन्यानि संयाति नवानि देहि. So basically now Krishna, when he starts giving some of his or some of his gyan, so that Arjuna becomes out of or comes out of it, right? And one more thing I just wanted to talk about is, right, I mean, whenever this whenever in a relationship also, right, we talk about something which is more connected to each one of us, right? Now whenever when there is a fight, right, I mean, and whenever the divorces happen, right, and divorces always ends up in fighting, because whenever there is an emotional turmoil within you, right, and once it is an emotional turmoil, then there is a inner thing like until so what happens, right, I mean, once you have emotions and these emotions are broken, right, your ego takes up, and that is how in anything, right, I mean, in any circumstances, if somebody is emotionally down, then you need to poke his ego to come make it out of us. But when it comes to a relationship, it's specifically, right, the innate nature, right, to fight it out, okay, till the last one, and that takes source, and if you see, right, most of the divorces ends in a fight because the emotions are broken, right? So let's continue, right? Yeah, so we were there, right? So now Krishna will start giving some of the answers to bringing out of this emotional drama, or the psychological drama which Arjuna is going through. So how does he starts off, right? I mean, basically what he will do, So sorry about this. Yes. So what he's gonna do is now the real crush of the Sankhya Yoga will come into the picture. Right? We'll see about what is our true nature, right, and who we are, right. So we are all bigger than all of this smaller things happening. Okay. Nainam chindanti shastrani, nainam dahati pavakah, na chainam kledayanthyapo, na shoshyati marutah. अच्छेद्यो यमदाह्यो यम अक्लेद्यो शोष्य एव सः नित्य सर्वगतस्थानुर अचलोऽयं सनातनः. Next श्लोक. अव्यक्तोऽयमचिन्त्योऽयम् अविकार्योऽयमुच्यते तस्मादेवं विदित् एवं नानुशोचितुमर्हसि. नेक्स्ट श्लोक. अथ चैनं नित्यजातं नित्यं वा मन्यसे मृतं तथापि त्वं महाबाहो नैनं शोचितुमर्हसि. जातस्य हि ध्रुवो मृत्युः ध्रुवं जन्म मृतस्य च तस्मादपरिहार्येते न त्वं शोचितुमर्हसि. अव्यक्तादीनि भूतानि व्यक्तमध्यानि भारतः अव्यक्तनिधनानेव तत्र का परिदेवना. Right. So now basically, right, we'll talk very little like Krishna not only pokes the ego, right, but he also tells more about, right, who we are, so that Arjuna comes out of all this emotional drama, right. He tells, right, what is our real existence, who we are, right, what is this body all about, right. I mean we are more bigger than the body, and we are soul and all of those things, and soul is kind of a continuously journey where a body gets once you die, you get a new body, right, and all of those things. So that I mean basically we all play a role over here. That's what we have to think about it. Whatever role you are playing, right, whatever the best you can do, play that role. Don't be into an emotional turmoil, right. And all this, right, I mean you might have all this psychological thought process going on, right, but something innate within you that has never been changing, and that is your soul, right. So that's pretty much, I mean, one thing I will also talk very briefly about it, right. As a Arjuna, right, most of the people when they go through this emotional drama, they will say, "You're not understanding me. What I'm trying to say," right? And most of you might have heard that, right? You're not understanding me. You're not getting my feelings right, and all of those things, right? So one thing is pretty sure, right? Because all these are a fabrication or manufacturing in your thought process, right? So what is happening, right? Nobody will able to understand that. Okay, nobody will be able to get the 100% of what you're going through. Okay? So that's what pretty much, I mean we'll cover. We have covered the 14 shlokas. I think during this when I was recording my all the applications, one page came up. So I think I'm not perfect. So do my videos are not perfect, right? So please take care of that, and please excuse me for that. Thank you. Bye bye.